Hi everyone, welcome to WW Designs. My name is Nikki and I have some fun goodies that I have ordered from a local Queensland Australian company, Washigang. But if you like the look of any of these and would like to get them, I am sure you could order them like on Amazon or something like that. Archer and Olive, you can of course, if you're in America, I think this is American, you can order directly from them, etc. But I want to show you these delightful things I have got. So what we're going to do, we're going to undo them. And then when it comes to the books, once we've had a general look, I will do a flip through of each page, but I will just do it to music so you can make a coffee, sit back, relax. And then if you want to order them, of course you can, but sometimes it's nice to see everything that's included in them. And so we'll just do that nice and calmly with a bit of music in the background. And let's have a look at what I bought. Now, if you have been around this channel for any length of time, you will know that the ocean is my absolute happy place, and I often do a lot of ocean-themed crafting and journaling because why not? So when I found this gorgeous thing was being released, I was almost going to order it. I'm sure it was from the US. And I then found out that Washigang was actually getting stock in. So I waited because I'm very happy to support Australian companies. And when they sell these, that means they can stay an Archer and Olive distributor. And that's exactly what we want. So why would I buy it directly from the US and they miss out on the sale? So enough gas bagging about that. This is part of the nautical collection, which I do believe has been out for a little while, but like with everything, when you live in Australia, you have to wait for things or spend an absolute fortune on postage. And of course, that does not appeal to me, but I had to have this. This was like one of those things where you see it and it's just not an optional extra. So apart from the fact it comes in this delightful box, just have a look at this thing. It is divine. Now, I have purchased the A5 size. It also came in a square and I think an A6. Can't remember, but I decided, no, we are going A5 for this. So it has a beautiful gold embossing print on the cover. It has a closure strap. It has a pen loop. Look at this. Even on the side, oh my dear Lord, and the back without the embossing, but that's fine because being flat down, your embossing would get scratched off before you know it. Oh, look at this gold embossing rope pattern on the inside. Beautiful cover page. And then you have lots of grid pages. Now, I have never had an Archer and Olive notebook, so I don't know how the paper reacts, but I have a feeling it's pretty good with mixed media, but I will do some experimenting just to check. And then I do believe in the back, yes, there is a little pocket arrangement, so you could store some goodies in here. Now, I do have a plan for this journal. I want to do an ocean-inspired journal, probably a bit vintage style, different animals, different times in the world where the ocean's been involved in things. It's going to be a big stretch for me because this won't be just a glue a picture down type arrangement. I'm actually going to have to practice doing some watercoloring and drawing, but I have a plan. No doubt this will be one of those procrastination projects that takes me forever to start, but that's okay. I will get there when I'm game to, play with the first page, but I just could not resist this. And for the sort of things I want to do, this particular theme I think is just absolutely perfect. Like, I have visited a lot of countries. I have done a lot of diving. I remember the day I saw my first blue-ringed octopus and things like that. I want this to be filled with nautical adventures. So I had to have this. So if you are into the nautical theme thing, this to me is just the ultimate in notebooks that one must have. So let's just pop that back in here, because I have a ton of other rubbish on my desk. I do not want this getting damaged in any shape or form. So yes, it was being released at 10 a.m. I knew I had to be on the phone, even though I was at work. I managed to do it. So that's that. So then the next thing, I had spotted this before. And this is a Loads of Ephemera, an unforgettable vintage sticker book with over 580 stickers. And I thought, I think I need this. You know how much I love collaging, gluing, sticking, all that fun stuff. So I thought this one would be worthy of adding to my collection. And what I like, it has a lot of different themes. So you don't end up with pages and pages of the same thing. It's quite varied. So I will do a flip through of that shortly so you can see what's in that one. And just in case you want the order details, there is the item numbers. You can just pause the video, take a screenshot. And then the next one is this absolute monster, From Botanicals to Travel, 350 plus timeless images for creative journaling. So this is a cutout book. These are not stickers. You do have to cut them out. But I'm pretty dab hand with fussy cutting. I don't mind that at all. And again, just for your information, there's the, let me hold that still. There's the ISBN number. Again, I'm sure if you're in America or Europe. Oh no, this is actually a UK-based junk journal artist. So I'm sure it's very easy to get hold of, but I thought I had to have that as well. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to do a lovely, oh no. First, let me show you this cute little, now this was my freebie. I think if you spent over $70 or $100, you got a freebie washi tape, and I just need to show you this. Aussie girls will appreciate this. Obviously, if you live in America, this would, or UK, you wouldn't be interested in this, but for Aussie girls, this is just delightful. Now, let me just find the start. There we go. Because we don't ever have a lot of stuff that's Australian themed. We sort of have to adapt a lot of the time. So let's have a look. Let's see how big. Oh, yeah, it's pretty big. So we start off with the Aboriginal flag. That is a town hall of some sort. Kangaroo road sign. We see those a lot. That's the Apostles down on the Great Ocean Road. I can't see closely what that is. Is that maybe Sydney or something? Could be. There's an emu. There's a reef. The Opera House, a flag. That, I think, is Flinders Street Station in Melbourne. Could be Central Station in Sydney. I'm not sure, but I know Flinders Street looks a lot like that. And then the Kangaroo and Open Road, another Sydney Harbour Bridge, sorry, a map of Australia, an emu, and Ayers Rock. Like, isn't that just fabulous washi tape for us Aussie girls? So if you do, there's 4 different patterns of these available. So if you place an order in the month of July, you will receive one of these delightful washi tapes if you spend over whatever the threshold is on. I can't remember, it was 70 or 100. But I, of course, spent over that, so that was fine. So I think that is very cool. I love that. Okay, so no more talking. I'm going to do a flip through. Sit back, relax, and watch. And if you have any questions, pop them down in the comments box below. I'm happy to answer them for you. Let's go.